Black Sesame Tangyuan and warm ginger syrup. Serves 4 and takes about 30 minutes to prepare. Ingredients for 4 servings. 2 cups glutinous rice flour. 3/4 cup warm water. 1 cup black sesame seeds. 1/2 cup powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons coconut oil. 1/2 cup brown sugar for the ginger syrup. 3 slices fresh ginger. 1/8 teaspoon salt. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. First, toast 1 cup black sesame seeds in a dry skillet over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes until fragrant, stirring constantly so they do not burn. Grind the toasted sesame with 1/2 cup powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons coconut oil in a small food processor or mortar until it forms a smooth, slightly sticky paste. Scoop the sesame paste and form it into 12 small balls about the size of 1 teaspoon each, then place them on a plate and chill in the refrigerator for 15 minutes to firm up. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 cups glutinous rice flour and 1/8 teaspoon salt, stirring briefly to distribute the salt. Gradually add 3/4 cup warm water to the flour while stirring until the mixture comes together into a shaggy dough. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until smooth and pliable, then cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. Divide the dough into 12 equal pieces, keeping them covered so they do not dry out. Flatten one piece of dough into a disc, place 1 chilled sesame ball in the center, then seal and roll into a smooth ball. Repeat until all 12 tangyuan are prepared. In a large pot add 4 cups water, 1/2 cup brown sugar, and 3 slices fresh ginger, then bring to a boil over high heat. Reduce the heat to medium and simmer the syrup for 5 minutes to fully dissolve the sugar and infuse the ginger. Bring the syrup to a gentle boil and carefully add the tangyuan, stirring gently to prevent sticking. Cook until the tangyuan float and then continue boiling for 2 minutes to ensure the filling becomes soft and heated through. After that, use a slotted spoon to transfer them to serving bowls and ladle the hot ginger syrup over each bowl. Enjoy this warm dessert. This is the final cooking step and enjoy your dish. Your black sesame tangyuan are ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, subscribe for more recipes, and tap the bell to get notifications.